Grandpa, where is my cake?
What cake? I only see your angry face.
My chocolate cake disappeared.
Maybe it escaped from your cooking.
Do not joke, you ate it.
I am old, not a magician.
You were near the kitchen last night.
I was near the bathroom too. Did I eat the toilet?
Stop acting innocent.
I am too handsome to be a criminal.
Handsome? Even the mirror laughed this morning.
That mirror is rude.
Confess now.
I swear on my dentures I did not eat it.
Then why are your lips brown?
That is coffee.
Smells like chocolate.
Your nose works harder than the police.
I hid that cake very carefully.
Aha! So you hid food from your husband again.
Because you eat like a hungry bear.
I am not a bear. Bears sleep more than me.
Last week you ate my cookies too.
Those were lonely cookies. I saved them.
You cannot save cookies by eating them.
Watch me. I am experienced.
Tell me where the cake is.
Maybe the dog ate it.
We do not even have a dog.
Then a ghost with good taste.
You are the ghost.
A handsome ghost.
Stop saying handsome.
Sorry. A delicious ghost.
Grandpa!
Okay. Let us investigate.
Good. Detective Grandma is ready.
Detective Grandma looks very scary today.
First question. Where were you at 9 p.m.?
Watching football.
Liar! You were snoring on the sofa.
That was halftime.
Open your mouth!
Why?
Just do it! I want to smell chocolate.
This marriage is becoming dangerous.
Open it! Smells like onions.
See? I am innocent and stinky.
Wait, why is there frosting on your shirt?
That is toothpaste.
Chocolate toothpaste?
Modern technology.
You think I am stupid?
No, just dramatic. I knew it! You ate my cake! I did not!
Oh, really? Then who did?
I have no idea!
Then help me search!
Fine. Maybe it is under the bed.
Why would cake sleep under the bed?
Maybe it was tired.
Check the kitchen cabinets.
Nothing here except old noodles from 1998.
Those are emergency noodles.
For what? The dinosaur apocalypse?
Search seriously.
Okay, I will check the closet.
Why the closet?
Maybe your cake wanted new clothes.
That makes no sense.
Wait, I found something.
My cake?
Yes, besides your sweaters. What? The cake looks older than me.
Oh no, I hid it there.
And then forgot?
Maybe a little.
You accused an innocent old man.
Sorry, Grandpa.
I already cried emotionally inside.
Fine. I will share the cake with you.
Too late, it became fossil cake.
Maybe we can still eat it.
If we do, our dentist becomes rich tomorrow.
At least I found it.
Yes, in your secret cake prison.
Stop laughing.
I cannot! You hid cake in the clothes closet!
I was protecting it from you.
Congratulations. You protected it from everybody.
Next time I will hide it better.
Next time, write the location down before your memory goes on vacation.